In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert time to its decimal form in Google Sheets. This can be incredibly useful if you're trying to calculate time-based values, such as hours worked, or simply need time in a format that's easier for computations. Let's dive in. First, we need to open a Google Sheet. If you already have a spreadsheet open, great. If not, just navigate to Google Sheets in your browser and open a new or existing file where you want to perform these calculations. Once you have your spreadsheet open, we're going to work with cell C6. So go ahead and click on cell C6 to ensure it's selected. This cell will be where we input our formula to convert the time into decimal hours. Now let's type in the first formula. In cell C6, you're going to enter each hour B2 plus minute B2 60 plus second B2 3600. This is a straightforward formula, and here's what's happening. The hour function extracts the hour from the time in cell B2, minute gets the minutes, which we divide by 60 to convert to hours, and second fetches the seconds, divided by 3600 because there are 3600 seconds in an hour. Altogether, this formula adds these values to display the total time as a decimal. After typing the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Doing so will execute the formula, and the result should now display as a decimal hour in cell C6. This gives you a precise mathematical representation of the time in hours. Moving on, click on cell C9, as we'll explore another method of achieving the same result. Once C9 is selected, type in the formula IC time value B2. This simple function will convert the entire time value in B2 into a fractional part of a day. In Google Sheets, a full day is represented by the number 1, so time value gives a decimal based on this system, where, for example, noon would be 0.5. Once you've entered the formula, hit Enter again. This time, you'll see the decimal that represents the fraction of the day corresponding to the time in B2. If you wanted to convert this to hours, you could multiply this result by 24. This method can be particularly useful if you're dealing with time values frequently and want a more automated approach. There you have it. You've now learned 2 different methods to convert time into decimal form in Google Sheets. This knowledge can streamline tasks requiring time calculations, helping you analyze time data more effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to leave comments or questions if you have them. Thanks for watching.